Good morning, and we are straight into a trade this morning. So yeah, I took this about 5 minutes ago, and yeah, we're sitting at 420, 400 profit already. That gets down to 450. As always, going to get my stop into break even. So reason I took this trade rather quickly was we got the price opening below the 9 moving average here in orange, and we got the price opening below the anchored VWAP. We've got a cross on the moving average and the VWAP. I normally like to take a position on this trade. Thing is with this trade, we can't really predict the time. So yeah, I got to the desk around 10 to 6 this morning, and I get my words out. I've seen this opportunity. So yeah, I've taken that trade. We just get a pullback now to our entry. So we did get down to around the 75% mark. So hopefully we can get a push down on the next candle. So yeah, a little bit action packed this morning, straight into a trade. And yeah, we'll keep an eye on this now for the next couple of minutes before we go over to the news. So yeah, I haven't had a sip of my coffee yet either. So that's the next thing on my agenda. But yeah, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the show. Was it 11th of December today, on a Wednesday? And yeah, we're getting closer to Christmas, right? So we'll need to sort our trading days out. Potentially next week could be our last full week of trading, and then we'll take another break, obviously, over Christmas and the New Year. So yeah, this morning show we are straight into a trade, and we're trading gold futures with Topstep, and you can see now balance we got 104k. So yeah, we're just 2k shy of the 106. So we're getting a bit of a pullback here. So we did break out the Asian high about. We're going to go into a stop loss. I can't believe it. But yeah, we did break out to the Asian high about 25 minutes ago. So yeah, the next candles will be quite interesting. We are testing that, the Asian low. So we are testing that Asian low. We have just broke above my moving average on the Forex chart, but that's on the M15. Let's have a quick look at the M5. Okay, we just seem to be testing at the moment. So I might re-enter the trade actually if we do hit those stop. It's looking quite favourable. Was looking favourable for a move down to the downside. So yeah, the next candle is going to be quite interesting. Just over 2 minutes. So good morning. Yeah, it's not even 6:05 yet, and we're straight into a trade this morning. So just having a quick look. Yeah, we seem to be rejecting off that Asian low. I might just try and mark that on my chart actually. Okay, so I like to trade 1-to-1, like to trade 30 ticks, but really I should be putting my stop around here. So if we do move the stop, obviously we have to move take profit as well. We'll see now when the next candle opens up. So we got the Asian low here, and yeah, we've just opening below that. Yes, we took a trade. We took a loss yesterday on the live stream for $600, and I managed to catch. There was a drop yesterday morning around 7:30, which we took. We got majority of it back. We were down 400 for the day. And I took another trade then where we broke out of the Asian high. That was around 12 p.m. here in the UK. So we managed to get back to about $28 profit. So for the week, we're still profitable. A little bit unsure on this trade here. We did get the break here, the VWAP and the moving average. We did get close to take profit, but we seem to be pushing up now quite nicely. Potentially we're going to hit our stop loss. Just thinking whether we move this stop up a little bit just above these levels here. And I think that would be the wise thing to do. Get our take profit down. Okay, so we're gonna let that trade run its course, and while we do that, I think we'll pop over to the news. So again, apologies for Mandela today. Yeah, he's a little bit busy this week, so if he jumps on, he will. But yeah, I know he's been really struggling for time. So today's news.
Good morning. Here's a summary of today's medium and high impact economic news for Forex and futures trading on Wednesday, December 11th, 2024 in the UK Times. Key events to watch. 1. UK inflation data, CPI and core CPI, scheduled early in the morning. This release is significant for GBP pairs as it reflects inflation trends and influences monetary policy. 2. Eurozone industrial production provides insight into the health of the industrial sector in the Eurozone. 3. US Consumer Price Index CPI, a high-impact event expected to strongly influence USD pairs. This inflation metric will help gauge the Federal Reserve's stance on interest rates. 4. Fed Chair Powell's speech, scheduled later in the day. This is critical for insights into future monetary policy direction. 5. Crude oil inventories, EIA, relevant for energy futures. This report indicates supply trends that impact oil prices globally. Market sentiment. Mixed trading in Asian and European markets ahead of US inflation data. The British pound shows strength against major currencies due to anticipation of higher inflation readings, 113 source 131s. Keep an eye on how these events unfold, especially CPI reports and Powell's speech, as they could drive significant market volatility across currencies and commodities.
So that's our news from ChatGPT. So yeah, thanks ChatGPT, feeling well when Mandela's not here. So yeah, we're in this trade here. We're testing that Asian low. We did get a nice break here from this cross of the VWAP and the 9 moving average. I do like to take a trade then, and that came in around 5 to 6. You can see we pushed down to around here. Price is rejected. We're actually pushing up. Moved my stop loss just above these levels here. They could act as resistance. So yeah, I'm just gonna watch this trade play out. What I will do is, if we get back into profit, I'm actually gonna close one contract, try and reduce our risk. And yeah, just mindful of XRP. I know when Mandela's here, we do talk about XRP on the charts. And yeah, the price seems to be dropping. So I'll be watching XRP. And if we do get it to drop below the $2 mark, might be putting some my stop loss into around the $1.50 position. So yeah, we'll be watching XRP. We'll see how that plays out. Bitcoin. Let's have a quick look. I haven't been following Bitcoin the last few days, but Bitcoin, it's trending at 97.6, and yeah, it's up about 1% for today. So yeah, Bitcoin's still doing well, still in the high 90s. So yeah, that's still a good sign. And the S&P, I haven't looked at. I won't be trading that today. What I'm hoping is one trade today. Hopefully we can get out of this trade. And yeah, I'm just comparing my charts. My Forex chart is not matching this here on the futures. So let's have a quick look. Okay, so yeah, just here on TradingView. I like to use TradingView for analysis to set up. You can see I actually put alerts on when we cross the VWAP level. So there's lots you can do on TradingView. Lots of good videos on YouTube on how to use it. And yeah, got my indicators back as well. So finally done that. So we had a sell signal here. We can see here the price broke through. So yeah, we get a bit of a downward momentum. And looking at the multi-chart scanner from M1 to M30, we're actually in a downward trend. What this does, it saves me flicking through all the charts and having a look for the confirmation. So you can see here it's a downtrend. Yeah, if I just go to M15, see a downtrend. So yeah, this just helps me, saves a bit of time, right? Rather than me flicking through all the charts in the morning. I didn't want to do that. I hit the wrong button. Oh my days. Anyway, right, I meant to close one position, right? Let me have a think what we're gonna do. Okay, we're gonna reduce this. We're gonna sell again. Get our stop loss just about here. Take profit. Right, okay. And what I'm looking to do is around 3/4 if we can get there, around here. Yeah, you can tell I'm tired this morning. Coffee hasn't kicked in yet. Yeah, I closed the trade too early. Never mind. Right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's see how this works out. So yeah, my Forex chart and futures chart are not lining up. Let me just refresh this chart. Yeah. Okay. I'll get rid of that. It's not doing me any good. Yeah, so I meant to close one position. I closed two, so yeah, I closed it $50 in profit. So yeah, what a start of the day. So first of all, we jumping in trade for 6 o'clock. Secondly, then I close all the position instead of half. So I suppose it's just good to see that these things happen, right? But yeah, I'm still short on gold. My reason being is we got a nice break from the VWAP and the 9 moving average. Normally that's an indication for me to buy or to sell. As you can see, the price opened below here, so we sold. And yeah, let's see if we can get a break. I'm at low here, and yeah, what we're going to do once we get down to the blue line here, we get the stop into break even. So just want to let you know today's show is brought to you by TradeZella.com. And yeah, with TradeZella, it's the only tool you need to become profitable. So you can see you can have a journal, analytics, notebook. You can actually report your trades, backtest and replay, and you even have the playbook. So yeah, number one is powerful and automated trade journaling. Number 2, you can analyze your trading stats. Number 3, you can gain key insights into your trades, and you can leverage 50+ reports. Do you have a profitable strategy? Well, you can use the playbook to to stay on top of that and discover if the strategy is working for you. And number 5, you can take it one step further, so you can back test, replay, and improve. So yeah, pop over to TradeZella.com and say we sent you, and I'm sure it'll really help you with your trading. So we'll be linking up our accounts. Mandela's already done it to TradeZella.com. I'll be doing the same myself, and then we can start sharing our stats with you. So yeah, we're still in this trade. We're looking for the price really to break below this 27.3. We get down to the blue line, try and get our stop into a break even, and we were in the trade around here, and yeah, I closed the whole position instead of half. So yeah, we took $50. So yeah, let's see if we can get this price down to this blue line of a minimum. So yeah, I've just marked the trade up here on our trading view chart. It's what I like to use. And yeah, we just got a bit of vertical support here, which we can see we've broken through. Just quickly draw that in. Yeah, and we have got a bit of a way to go. So down to the next demand level of, what's it? 27.18, we can say, right? So yeah, we got some got a little bit of what I call wiggle room to go. And what we've done, we've put a stop just above the 9 moving average and the VWAP, and these should act as some sort of resistance. So hopefully we can get that moved down to our TP. So just gonna check Twitter. Let's see what's happening in Twitter world this morning. It's the usual. Santa's giving away watches and money. Let's have a quick look what's going on in the world. Lots of people are being paid out by Topstep. It's fantastic to see. Got some people claiming to be paid out by Apex. It's also good to see. What else is happening? Not a lot, not. Okay, so we're pushing down on the price here. Let's see if we can get pushing at the previous low. Okay, so we've broken through. That's quite nice. Let's get down to our break-even level. Yeah, I'd like to see the price hit the blue line here and open below it. Then we'll get our stop into break-even. So we should finish the day favourable. Not as much profit as I'd like. Yeah, I closed the whole position instead of half. Never mind. Yeah, so these things do happen when you trade in. So let's have a look at this next candle. Let's see if we can get a push down. So good morning. If you made it at this time in the morning, yeah, please jump into the comments of the chat. Please give the video a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We do trade futures live most days around 6 a.m. and it's not just trading. We do cover the high impact news with Mandela, and we do look through some of the more favorable charts that people like to trade. So XRP, Bitcoin, gold, and the S&P. And if there's any pairs you'd like us to review, we can also do that live on the stream. So yeah, we're just watching this price and gold. So yeah, we tested the low here. We got down to our actually break-even level. I'd like to see us break through this before we move that stop. And you can see we just go stop above the 9 moving average and above the VWAP level. And we took the trade here at 555. Yeah, the price pushed it down. I went to close half the trade, but I closed all the trade. So yeah, a bit of a schoolboy error, but you can forgive me, it's early in the morning, right? So yeah, I've had my coffee and that seems to be working now, seems to be waking up a bit. And high impact news for today, so we do have quite a bit, right? So if you go over to myfxbook.com and you can go into the economic calendar and you can actually see we've got a heavy day of US dollar news this afternoon, and that is going to affect the price on gold. So hopefully I'll be out of my trades by then, count locked down, and just enjoying my day. So yeah, we seem to be pushing our price. Okay, just under 3 minutes. Yeah, I'd like to see us get a break now down to this level here, and then we can get that stop into break even and finish off the profitable day. But you can see the trade I took. Yeah, we broke the VWAP, broke the 9 moving average, took a short position. Price came back down, would have been into about 30 tick profit, but I closed the whole trade instead of half. And yeah, we can pull back now. Okay, could potentially be a long position coming up that we might take as well. Yeah, I'm pushing up quite strongly towards that Asian high. Just be the one trade on the stream this morning. I need to jump off myself at 7 o'clock, but potentially looks like we're going to take another stop live on YouTube. I will be looking to break through these two levels here. We'll be looking to take a long position later on. So I'm going to be quite mindful of the Asian high, the Asian low, and if we do break through those levels, I'll be looking to take that trade. Okay, so yeah, we're still in the trade at the moment. Just want to watch this play out. We have a nice push up on the last candle. Price seems to be pushing down. Yeah, we rejected that 9 moving average. Yeah, we got a stop loss just above the VWAP level. Yeah, we want to get back down to the blue line, get that stop in to break even. So I'm putting myself on mute. I'm gonna finish my coffee and things, and then we'll come back to this trade when it's closer to one of the prices. Yes, we're pushing up to that stop. Now, we did have the opportunity to get to break even around here. So yeah, I could see us hitting our stop this morning, and then potentially we will be looking to go long later on in the day. So it's been a tough start to the week. So we start off Monday with a take profit. Yesterday we took a 600 loss on the stream, which we recovered in the afternoon, and today we could be looking at around a 480 loss here on the stream, but I will be looking to take a trade later on if we break out of the Asian high. So my forex charts are definitely out of sync with what I can see here on the futures. So yeah, I'll keep refreshing that. Hopefully we can get them aligned. But yeah, what I'll do after this stream is mark up that Asian high and Asian low, and I'll be looking to trade the breakout later on today. Yeah, we could see this candle take us out of the trade, and potentially then I am going to be looking to go long on the next trade. Just seem to be opening within the Asian range at the moment, and I'm not happy. Let me mark that in properly. See, it's days like today I could do with Mandela being here, just to help me get this marked in properly. So that looks a bit better. The trading gods must have heard me. Here he is to the rescue. Good morning.
Good morning. How's it going, Andrew? How's everything?
Yeah, it's okay. So, yeah, we took a trade here around 5 to 6. We took a short position. Price pulled back. Came back into a take profit. I meant to close half the trade. I closed it all. So we ended up with $50 profit. I re-entered the trade just with one contract. And yeah, we came down to our break-even level. I didn't take it. We didn't open below. Prices pushed back up quite strongly, actually, and we just got to take profit above the 9 moving average and VWAP level. So I was just saying, yeah, we took a loss yesterday morning, which we caught back in the afternoon on the Asian breakout, and I got a big difference between my forex and futures charts. I'm just trying to quickly mark in the Asian high and low. So if you could have a quick look at this while you're here. So I got to start in at 11 p.m. Yeah, so I got so the low of 11 p.m. was here.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, and we got a high around here. So yeah, we just trading within the Asian range at the morning. Probably
that looks right.
Probably expecting this trade to go into our stop, and potentially then, if we break the VWAP 9 moving average, looking to go long. And I will be waiting on a breakout of these two levels later on in the day. So what's new with you? How's things?
Nice. Everything's good. I was planning to jump on for 6 on the dot, and then ended up having some technical difficulties. So,
of course you was.
So I got on as soon as I could. Usually, I usually get on around halfway through. I let you, do your thing for the first half an hour. I just,
yeah, a bit of a panic.
I like.
Bit of a panic this morning. Just 5 to 6, seeing this opportunity to go short, so I took it. So yeah, we straight into the action this morning. Run through some of the news with ChatGPT, but if you'd like to. Probably go through the news a little bit better. I'd appreciate
yeah, sure.
it.
Let's do.
Then
let's
we can
do
have a look at some
news.
charts.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's have a look at some of the news now, Andrew. There we go. So today is the big day for inflation coming out of the US, and we've been waiting for this one for a while. So if we have a quick look, how do I do this again, Andrew? Oh, here we go. All right, and then it's this one. Okay, so these are the main inflation numbers right here. So this is what we're going to be looking for today. All happening at 1:30 London, which is for those of you in Bermuda, that's 9:30. Those of you on the East Coast of the United States, it's going to be 8:30 in the morning. The first one that we like to look at is the month over month. So this is core CPI. Then the next one is the year over year, and you can see the 3 stars here, which indicate that it's a very important news announcement. Also, I'm looking at what the numbers are expected to be, so the forecast and also the previous numbers. So if inflation is lower than forecast, then technically that's a good sign. It means inflation is decreasing.
That would mean a stronger dollar would push the price of gold down, for example.
Theoretically, it should. Sometimes it acts in the opposite way, but yes, in theory, yes, it should. It should definitely mean a stronger dollar at around 130 today. So if you are trading, just be on high alert. I would suggest. Are you trading this afternoon, Andrew?
Might look to trade the breakout, but what I do is wait till around 2 p.m. So I'll let the dust settle.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah,
that's
and I'll
good.
just pick up the scraps or the
Yeah.
on the trade. So so on my forex chart, I've actually got gold breaking out to the Asian low. It's definitely not aligned with the futures chart today.
Let me have a look as well on that one, because I don't usually look at futures. Let's see.
So what we do, let's pop over to chatting charts.
I like the background too, the graphics in the background.
Yeah, so big shout out to TradeZella who are sponsoring today's show. So yeah, been through the ad read, been through their website. So yeah, you can visit them at TradeZella.com. And it's just what you need, to cover all your analytics for trading. Make sure you got a profitable strategy, etc. So yeah, I highly recommend you pop over to TradeZella.
Awesome. Are you looking at maybe setting up something with them?
So I should be signing up end of the week or next week. Just want to make sure we can connect Topstep to TradeZella. A couple of questions, but I do follow them on X, and it's a really good trading tool. I just think it's something I need just to monitor, what I'm doing on a daily basis.
Oh, definitely, yeah. I think you can't go wrong with them, and really, really great to have them on board with us and with our show. Okay. So I wasn't ready. He caught me in a hurry. So this was yesterday's Asia intro. I'm going to actually move this now. You can see that I haven't actually set it up yet, but this is how I do it. I look for 11 p.m. as you rightly said. So it'll be 11 p.m. London is 7 p.m. Bermuda. So that's where I would start it, right there. That's the high, and then that's the low. And the time we stop is 7 a.m. London time. So in about 23 minutes, we'll stop the we won't move it. All right, let me just go in a little closer, because we have the highs and the lows, and the highs and the lows will give us 2704 spot 28, and then on the downside 2675 spot 49. I like the what's it called, a 1080p. I was watching back your show yesterday on 1080p, and I'm sure everybody's watching it on their big screens at home.
Yeah, nice. So we got all the technology here, right?
Yeah.
So
top of the line.
So yeah, I need to confirm the chart. So I got a big difference between my forex and futures chart at the moment. It's as if my forex chart looks about 20 minutes behind. If anything.
Does your forex chart looks like this?
Let's have a quick look what we got. If you can go on to the 5 minutes for me.
Yeah, sure. Let me just.
Yeah, you are. Yeah.
Okay, I am. Yeah, I am.
Let's have a quick look what you got. Yes, that's what. Yeah, my forex chart is looking like that. My futures is different, and normally they're pretty much aligned.
Yeah.
And I like to refer to the forex chart on another screen. So. Yeah, we're not going to use that.
Yeah, I don't know why that would be. at all.
Yeah, so I know some people had some issues with Topstep yesterday. I don't know if that is the issue. So yeah, at the moment we're just hovering around the 2731 on the futures chart, and it's the same price on TradingView as well. So that's what we're trading. So should we have a look at Bitcoin while we're here?
Yeah, we can do. We got a bit of a dip, and it looks like dip buyers may have stepped in. So haven't seen a lot of dips in Bitcoin recently, but we got this one yesterday. Sorry, that was from yesterday afternoon. Hit down as low as 94,220 and kind of sprung back since then.
Yeah, it seems to be, you on 30 minutes, seems to be forming a downward trend actually. So be quite mindful of Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Just look at the bigger picture, right?
Yeah, bigger picture there. Still staying above this. Remember, we got that big low. I think you were highlighting this on Monday as a possible support. Eventual. This could be an eventual support again down here. But so far, I think it's trying to find some direction. Looks like.
Yeah. So, yeah, at the moment, I'd be quite mindful of Bitcoin. Just seems to be, in a downward trend. From those all-time highs, just seems to be forming new higher lows. Yeah, it seems to be pushing down actually. So, yeah, we could see a reversal around 98. So, yeah, just be mindful on Bitcoin if I was trading it. And XRP's taking a dive, right?
Let's have a look. Yeah, it kind of followed Bitcoin a little bit. It went down, and now it's starting to maybe bounce. Maybe this is just a false bounce. They call it a dead cat bounce, maybe. But it looked pretty bad. It was under $1, or just around $1.90.
Yes, I'm probably going to
actually under $1.90. Yeah, looks like
probably put some stop losses in around $1.50.
Yeah.
So XRP and Bitcoin to me, but both looking down at the moment. So be quite mindful of that. But we did have that liquidity void that we spoke about, and we still have potential downside down to $1.60. So be quite mindful of crypto.
Yeah, you have to be careful, and I know a lot of people are now starting to get in, and so those who haven't seen these sorts of moves before and are just, I guess, there's no sort of strategy, there's no let's say there is a lack of experience. Just to be careful, you don't want to go all in on something and end up buying the top or buying right before it pulls back. So just be careful. Yeah,
that's what normally happens, right? Is people see crypto pumping on the news, then that's when they decide to jump in, and they probably missed the move. And then what happens then? They get in at the all-time high, and they just have to hold them for the next all-time high. So I know that happened to someone in our group. Bought a couple of hundreds worth of Bitcoin when it was around 67. I think he waited about 2 years just to get his investment back. But he should be sitting at about 50% profit now. So it's great news for him. So without trade, we're still around the 2731 mark. Potentially, if we get another push to the downside, could be looking to get out of the trade. Should we have a look at the S&P?
Yeah, we can have a quick look at the S&P 500. Let's see it. Here we go. So there is that inflation data that we spoke about. Let's zoom into a 5-minute. So this is the Asian range here. Let's just put it at the top. So Asian range from overnight, we hit the high here right at 11 o'clock p.m. Our UK time. That was the low of the Asian session, and we're kind of just sitting in the middle of it now. Not a whole lot of action here, Andrew. I don't really want to trade when we're in I kind of call it no man's land. Sometimes you can kind of see a bit of momentum where like you kind of see higher lows, and it starts to look like it's slowly creeping higher. Maybe you can get in before the breakout, but what I usually wait for is this breakout here. Would be if we do see it move higher, I would look for a nice sort of breakout to the upside. Try and get in before this point.
Because of the news, I'm probably going to stay out of that trade today. Just the one trade for myself. So for us, it's just Groundhog Day. We're stuck around the 2731 mark.
Yeah.
So yeah, hoping to jump out of this trade if we can.
27. Yeah, this is it here. I mean, yesterday was a pretty good day in the end. At the end, I think this early morning session was a bit tough.
Yeah, so
if I remember correctly.
Yeah, I jumped in the sell too early. Got stopped out. Took a sell. We took a really good sell around 7:30 yesterday, and then we got down to about a $400 loss. And then we caught the breakout of the Asian high. It was around 12:30 p.m. I was bombarding you WhatsApp messages. So yeah, we took that trade.
It's all good.
Yeah, we recovered. So today, yeah, we're taking $50 so far, and we got a little bit of a move down. What I'm looking to do is probably get out of this trade and finish my day in the green if I can.
Yeah. How much are you up right now? What's your P&L?
So $50, staggering. My eyes watering.
And you had 50 on the first one too, right?
No, that is
bank 50.
Yeah, banked 50. I closed half the trade too early, and yeah.
Okay, are you in one now? Are you in one?
Yeah, no, yeah, you can see here.
Oh, I see. Got you. Okay. Yep, I see it.
So what we're looking to do, if we can get a push down to this blue level here, is get our stop into break even. But yeah, we got this 9 moving average acting as some sort of support at the moment. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on this trade. So I don't have much more for this morning. I'm going to stay in this trade. I'll probably report back on that tomorrow. But at the moment, yeah, we're up $50. I'm hoping we can get that pushed down. Just seem to be consolidating at the moment. Price a little bit undecided. If we do hit our stop, what we probably do is wait for a buy-in opportunity later on in the day.
Okay, yeah. I think after 2:30, there could be some nice moves, some good opportunities to just chip away at the target that you're heading towards. Just noticing there, is that the DOM? That's the DOMs on the right side of your screen? That's...
Yeah, we got them here, yeah.
Oh, I didn't know you had... So, those look really cool. I think that's what Pax uses.
He does, yeah. So, for myself, I need to do a bit more research into this.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we need to...
it looks cool.
I need to understand these at the moment. We also got the tilt with Topstep X. So at the moment the market's 50-50. So what we're saying is all people trading on Topstep, 50% long, 50% short. So yeah, we got
that's good to know. That is good to know.
So yeah, we're just gonna stick with this trade, not gonna jump out yet. And that's it from myself. We'll be back on tomorrow. Let's have a quick review where we're at. So we can see yesterday, we finished off $28 to the good.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah,
nice.
We took 2,000 away from our profit target. We did have a high of 104,949. So yeah, we're not too far away. So hopefully
that's a striking distance. You're in striking.
Yeah, we're almost there. So I would like to get that done before Christmas if I can, but based on yesterday and today's trades, looks like it's going to be a tough ask before Christmas, but we'll see what we can do.
Yeah, yesterday was green, right? Yesterday was green.
Yeah, so life changing $28 yesterday. So
look, profit is profit. What was I going to say? Every little bit helps. That's what I was going to say.
Yeah, definitely.
Every little bit.
I'm happy to tick away to 106. So yeah, we're happy to do that. So I don't have anything more for this morning. I'll give us an update tomorrow where we're at. And any additional news from you for today?
That's it. I mean, I do want to just say I enjoy these shows in the morning. Some mornings, I don't know if I can make every single one, Andrew, but I'll do my best to jump on. And as we get closer to Christmas anyway, I think we'll both be trading less. But you have a lot of great episodes. And
it's probably be my last full week.
It's amazing. Yeah, there we go.
This week I got some got some things to do next week. Yeah. What do you call it in Bermuda? In the UK, we call it Secret Santa. I know some places.
Yes,
call it
you do. We
Friend.
call it the same. We call it the same. Secret Santa. Yeah.
Yeah. So I volunteered in the Secret Santa, and I don't know why I done it.
Nice.
So I had a reminder yesterday. Don't forget your Secret Santa. And I'm like, oh, great.
So you know what you have to get? Are you going to get something nice, or what are you thinking?
We have a limit of about $10 to get somebody something. So I'm probably gonna go for the really thought out option of a bottle of wine or something. Yeah,
that's a good gift. That's a good gift.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, I just hope they drink alcohol, right? But if not,
they'll give it back to you.
Oh, it's a shame. Make sure it's a good bottle of Sauvignon Blanc or something. So yeah, that's it from me. I'm gonna stick in this trade. We got price seems to be consolidating, so hoping to get that downward move. If not, I'm looking to take a long position if we break above this VWAP and 9 moving average. So thanks, Mandela. It's great to have you on the show. Really helps. Yeah,
thank you, Andrew. I really do enjoy these shows, and job well done to you as well.
And I just want to say a big shout out to TradeZella.com. So if you haven't, go and give them a visit today. Look at signing up, and you'll see there's actually a sign up link in the item description. So you can sign up there through Signature FX, and if you do sign up through us, let us know, and we'll help you set up and do everything you need to be a profitable trader. So thanks all, and we'll speak to you soon.
Thanks. Take care, Andrew. Thank you.
You too. Bye.